Welcome to Tekzoid. Looking for a new home internet option? You might have come across T-Mobile 5G home internet. But what is it? How does it work? And is it worth it? Let's break it down. What is T-Mobile 5G home internet? T-Mobile 5G home internet is a wireless internet service that uses T-Mobile's 5G and 4G LTE networks instead of traditional cable or fiber lines. It's designed to give you fast, reliable internet without the wires, the contracts, or the installation headaches. It's a solid option for people who live in areas where fiber isn't available, or for those who just want a more flexible internet plan. How does T-Mobile home internet work? T-Mobile sends you a Wi-Fi gateway, basically a router that connects to their 5G network. Setup is simple. Just plug it in, use the T-Mobile app, and you're online. No technician or drilling required. Speeds and pricing. Most users see speeds between 72 to 245 megabits per second, depending on your location and signal strength. It's good for streaming, video calls, and even light gaming. It costs $50 per month with autopay, includes the equipment, and has no data caps or contracts. Pros: no cables or fiber required. Quick and easy self-setup. Flat pricing with no surprise fees. Portable, can be used anywhere in T-Mobile's service area. Cons: speeds may vary. Not as consistent as fiber for heavy users. Is T-Mobile 5G home internet worth it? If you want affordable, wireless home internet and live in a strong T-Mobile coverage area, it's a great pick. But if fiber is available, that might offer more reliable performance. To check more details, check out our full post. Link in the description. Would you try T-Mobile 5G home internet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tech tips from Tekzoid. Thanks for watching. See you next time.